Unlocking $10,000 a month, your digital product blueprint. Hey everyone, welcome back to channel JakeWorld035. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to make money while you sleep? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make $10,000 a month by selling digital products online. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have a digital product idea, I'm gonna break it down step by step. So grab a notepad and let's get started. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, alright? This is about building a sustainable, scalable income stream that can genuinely change your financial future. We're going to cover everything from finding that golden idea, to creating your product, setting up your shop, marketing it like a pro, and then scaling it up to that incredible $10,000 a month mark and beyond. The beauty of digital products is the leverage they offer. You create it once and you can sell it over and over again 24/7 without needing to trade your time directly for money. So make sure you're comfortable, maybe grab a coffee or tea because we're diving deep today. Let's do this. Alright, first things first, let's talk about finding your profitable niche. This is absolutely crucial, guys. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody's looking for it or if you're trying to sell to everyone, you're going to struggle. A well-defined niche is your foundation. It's where your passion or skill intersects with a genuine market need. Think of it as finding a specific group of people with a specific problem that you can solve, or a specific desire you can fulfill. So, how do you find this magical niche? The first place I always tell people to look is inwards, at your own skills, your passions, your experiences. What are you genuinely good at? What do you love talking about or doing, even if you weren't getting paid for it? Next up, you've got to do your research on existing trends. This isn't about copying, it's about understanding what's already working and where the demand lies. Platforms like Etsy are a goldmine for this, especially for creative digital products. See what's listed in the bestseller sections for digital downloads? Look at the reviews, see what people are loving, and also look for gaps. Gumroad is another fantastic place. Browse through different categories, see what creators are selling, and look at their sales numbers if they're public. Once you have a few ideas, you need to validate the demand. It's not enough to think it's a good idea, the market needs to agree. This is where tools like Google Trends come in super handy. You can type in keywords related to your potential niche and see if the search interest is growing, stable, or declining. Another fantastic and often underutilized tool is Answer the Public. You type in a keyword, and it spits out a visual map of all the questions people are asking around that topic. How, why, what, where. Remember, the sweet spot, the absolute bullseye you're aiming for, is where your genuine passion or skill meets a clearly defined market need, with demonstrable demand. For example, if you love graphic design, passion, skill, and you see businesses struggling to create good social media graphics, market need, and Google Trends shows increasing searches for social media templates, demand, then bingo, you might have a winner. Don't be afraid to niche down. Instead of fitness, maybe it's fitness for busy moms over 40. This specificity also helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Okay, so you've zeroed in on a promising niche, fantastic. Now it's time for the exciting part, creating your actual digital product. And here's a key piece of advice right off the bat. Don't overcomplicate it, especially for your first product. The goal is to create something genuinely useful and valuable that solves a specific problem or fulfills a specific desire for your target audience. Let's talk about some popular and effective digital product ideas. eBooks and guides are a classic for a reason. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can compile your knowledge into a comprehensive guide. Templates are another huge seller, and they are incredibly versatile. Think about anything that people create repeatedly that you can templatize to save them time and effort. Resume templates are common, but also consider social media graphic templates for Canva, email marketing templates, budget spreadsheets, project management dashboards, legal contract templates for specific industries, or even website design templates for platforms like Squarespace or WordPress. Then you have printables, which are incredibly popular, especially on platforms like Etsy. These are digital files that customers download and print themselves. This category includes things like planners, daily, weekly, monthly financial fitness, worksheets, educational self-help, checklists, trackers, habit trackers, mood trackers, wall art, party decorations, and even coloring pages for adults or kids. Online courses or workshops are a more involved digital product, but they can also command higher prices and deliver massive value. If you have a skill you can teach step by step, a course could be perfect. Now let's talk tools, because you don't need to be a tech wizard or a graphic design guru to create professional-looking digital products. For visual products like eBooks, templates, and printables, Canva is an absolute game changer. It's a free, with a great pro option, drag-and-drop design tool that's incredibly intuitive. If you're creating guides, presentations, or even simple ebooks, don't underestimate the power of tools you probably already have, like Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. For online courses, if you're doing video lessons, you don't need a fancy studio. Tools like Loom are fantastic for screen recording presentations or software tutorials, and it's super easy to use. The overarching goal, regardless of the product type or the tools you use, is to make something genuinely useful and valuable to your specific audience. Start with a minimum viable product, MVP, something that delivers core value but isn't necessarily loaded with every bell and whistle you can imagine. Your unique voice, perspective, and experience are part of the value. Alright, you've identified your niche, and you've created an awesome digital product. High five for that. Now the next crucial step is setting up your online store. This is where your customers will find you, learn about your product, and most importantly, make a purchase. You need a platform that's easy for you to manage and easy for your customers to use. Luckily, there are some fantastic options out there, even if you're not tech-savvy. First up is Gumroad. I often recommend Gumroad for beginners because it is incredibly simple to get started with. It's designed specifically for creators selling digital products like ebooks, templates, software, or memberships. The interface is clean, and you can have a product listed for sale in literally minutes. They handle the payment processing and digital file delivery, which takes a huge weight off your shoulders. Next, we have Etsy. If your digital products are more on the creative side, think printables, digital art, craft patterns, design templates, Etsy can be a powerhouse. The biggest advantage of Etsy is its massive built-in marketplace. Millions of buyers are already on Etsy actively searching for products like yours. Then there's Shopify. If you're looking for a more robust, customizable, and scalable long-term solution, Shopify is the king. It's a full-fledged e-commerce platform that allows you to build your own branded online store. You have complete control over the design, customer experience, and you can integrate countless apps for marketing, analytics, and more. Once you've chosen your platform, the next step is to upload your product. This usually involves uploading the digital file itself. For example, a PDF, a zip file with templates, a video file, or link to a private video. You'll also need to create a compelling product listing. This starts with a killer product description. Don't just list features, focus on the benefits. Attractive images are absolutely non-negotiable for selling digital products. Create mock-ups that showcase your digital product in an appealing way. High-quality visuals build trust and make your product look more valuable. Okay team, this is where the rubber meets the road. You've got a niche, you've got an amazing product, and your online store is ready to go. Now, how do we get people to actually buy your digital product and start moving towards that $10,000 a month goal? The answer is marketing, and specifically, smart, consistent marketing. Let's dive into some top marketing strategies. First and foremost, leverage social media. But don't just randomly post. Choose the platforms where your target audience spends their time. If your product is highly visual, Instagram and Pinterest are fantastic. For Instagram, think Reels showcasing the benefits of your product, carousels that teach something valuable related to your niche, and stories for behind-the-scenes content and direct engagement. On Pinterest, create beautiful pins that link directly to your product page. Pinterest users are often in a buying mindset. The key with any social media platform is consistency and providing value. Don't just sell, sell, sell. Aim for an 80-20 rule: 80% valuable, educational, or entertaining content, and 20% promotional content. Build a community, engage with comments, and be authentic. Next up is content marketing, which goes hand in hand with social media, but can also involve longer-form content. This means creating valuable free content that attracts your ideal customer and positions you as an authority in your niche. This could be blog posts on your website, in-depth YouTube videos like this one, or even a podcast. Email list building is, without a doubt, one of the most powerful marketing strategies for digital products. Offer a valuable freebie, often called a lead magnet, in exchange for someone's email address. This could be a free sample of your product, a mini guide, a checklist, a short video workshop, or a discount code for their first purchase. Promote this lead magnet everywhere, on your website, in your social media bio, at the end of your blog posts. Once you have people on your email list, nurture that relationship. Send regular emails that provide value, share insights, tell stories, and occasionally promote your products. An automated welcome sequence for new subscribers is a great way to introduce yourself, deliver the lead magnet, and gently guide them towards your core offer. Email marketing allows for more direct and personalized communication than social media, and it consistently delivers a high return on investment when done right. Don't sleep on email, folks. It's a gold mine. You're doing it. You found your niche, created a fantastic product, set up your store, and your marketing efforts are starting to pay off. Maybe you've hit your first $1,000 month or $5,000, and now you're eyeing that $10,000 a month milestone. This chapter is all about how to scale your digital product business effectively and sustainably. Reaching $10,000 a month isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter and implementing systems that allow for growth. One of the most effective ways to scale is to create a product suite or a value ladder. Don't just stop at one digital product. Think about what other related products or services you can offer to your existing audience. For example, if you sell a beginner's ebook on a topic, your next product could be an advanced course, a set of premium templates, or even a high-ticket coaching program. This allows you to increase the lifetime value of each customer. Consider offering bundles of your existing products at a discounted price. This can increase your average order value significantly. You could also create upsells or downsells. An upsell is offered during or immediately after a purchase, presenting a higher value related product. A downsell is offered if someone declines the main offer or the upsell. It's typically a lower priced item that still provides value and gets them into your ecosystem. Automation is your best friend when it comes to scaling. As your business grows, you won't have time to do everything manually. Look for opportunities to automate repetitive tasks. Email marketing automation is huge here. Set up automated sequences for new subscribers. Welcome sequence, for people who abandon their cart before purchasing, cart abandonment sequence, and for customers post-purchase. To deliver the product, ask for feedback and suggest other relevant products. Tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign offer powerful automation features. Beyond email, tools like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, can connect different apps you use and automate workflows between them. For example, you could automatically add a new customer from Gumroad to a specific email list in MailChimp, or get a notification in Slack when a new sale comes through, or even automatically create a task in your project management tool. Reducing manual administrative work frees you up to focus on high-level strategy, product creation, and marketing, the things that truly drive growth. You absolutely must track and optimize everything. What gets measured gets managed, as the saying goes. Selling digital products can be a game changer for your income and lifestyle. Remember, start simple, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments, what digital product are you thinking of selling? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling. We've covered a ton of ground today, from finding that perfect niche all the way to scaling your business to hit that incredible $10,000 a month mark. I know it might seem like a lot, but the key is to take it one step at a time. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on the very next action you need to take. The beauty of this model, as I said at the start, is the leverage.